This is the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 printer. It is an all-in-one printer, and it has functions like print, copy, scan and fax. We're going to do the unboxing for this printer. With the box open, you can see that there's an instruction on how to remove the printer. Let's lay the printer on the side and pull it out. Once you have removed the printer from the plastic, these are its contents in a box. A set of cartridges, the power cord, it's got the instant ink card, regulatory information, a reference guide and a setup poster. Let us remove the tapes from the printer. Remember to remove the piece of cardboard. Next, you may want to plug the power cable into the back of the printer. You will notice that when you turn on the power at the main socket, the printer instantly powers on. If for any reason you need to power off the printer, the power button is right over here. So this is the first screen that you see when you power on the printer, which is the language selection. We'll select English. And the country, we'll select it to be USA. Next, we will need to install the cartridges. To install the cartridges, first open up the cartridge access door. Then, with the cartridges that come in box, load in one by one, starting with the black at the right hand side. Push in the cartridges until it snaps in place. Once the cartridges are snapped in place, close the cartridge access door. Next, we will need to load paper. Let us load paper into tray 1, which is the bottom tray. Open up tray 1 and move the adjuster to the back. Then take some A4 paper and load it into the tray. Remember to use the adjuster as well as the width adjuster over here until it touches the paper. This is to prevent any mispick. Next, let's load some paper into tray 2. Move the width adjuster to the side and load some paper into tray 2. Again, use the width adjuster, slide it until it touches the sides of the paper. Then close the tray too. You may want to pull out the output tray. So this printer is instant ink ready. You need to sign up if you want to use HP Instant Ink. Let's continue. So as there is no CD inbox, we need to complete the setup by going to 123.hp.com to get the software. Let's take a look at the question mark over here. So there's an option for us to do a control panel setup. Select network setup. We'll connect it to wireless. So this printer does support 5 GHz network. We'll select that. Enter our Wi-Fi password for our router. Once the password is keyed in, we need to confirm settings. The connection is successful. You will notice that the wireless LED is no longer blinking because it has connected to our network. So we can set up our web services now. Let's set up. Select yes. So our web services has been set up. Once the web services is set up successfully, it will print out a piece of information on the printer. So to help make it better, HP will collect some data from our printer. We'll leave it as is. Select continue. So this printer will be used at home and is for personal use. So if you want to sign up for Instant Ink, you can go to the URL over here to enroll. So finally, we need to get our HP software, which we will show you in our next video. So this is how you unbox your HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 printer. Install the cartridges as well as the paper and connect the printer to a wireless network.